Averages help us make sense of our data, right? But not all averages are created equal. In Power BI, we've got different ways to calculate them, each serving a unique purpose. Whether you're analyzing sales trends or employee performance, understanding these averages can make a huge difference. We'll explore key functions and why choosing the right one matters. Let's break it down and make this easy. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Aggregations are the secret sauce in Power BI that keep things running smoothly. Instead of crunching huge datasets every time, we summarize the data, making reports lightning fast. But what functions do we use? Some average count, each has its place. Understanding how and when to aggregate properly saves time and keeps your dashboard efficient. Let's dive into it. Trust me, it's more exciting than it sounds. Filtering in DAX is like telling Power BI, hey, focus only on what I need. We apply conditions to refine data and get accurate insights. But be careful, filters can drastically change your calculations. We'll look at different techniques and how they affect results. By the end, you'll be filtering like a pro and avoiding common pitfalls. AVERAGEX is a powerhouse function in DAX. It doesn't just take a bunch of values and average them. Oh no, it does something smarter. It evaluates each row in a table separately and then finds the average based on a given expression. Think of it like a chef carefully selecting ingredients for the perfect dish. We'll walk through how this works and when you should use it. Let's talk about averages. We have the mean, which is like the enthusiastic group leader, always taking everything into account. The median, the reliable middle child, keeps things balanced, especially when outliers crash the party. And then there's the mode, picking favorites. It only cares about the most common value. Choosing the right one matters. Got extreme values. Go median. Need precise weighting. Use weighted averages. Don't let misleading averages lead you astray. Numbers are great, but let's be honest, they're much easier to grasp when we can see them. Conditional averages come alive through charts, heat maps, and trend lines. Wanna spot patterns? Use heat maps. Need to track shifts over time. Trend lines to the rescue. But beware, choosing the wrong visualization can confuse rather than clarify. A good graph should tell a compelling story, not make us question our life choices. Mistakes, we all make them. But when it comes to averages, some blunders can be disastrous. Ignoring outliers. That's like letting an elephant crash a small dinner party. Using the wrong average. That's like measuring temperature in Fahrenheit when you need Celsius. Bad visualizations. Oh, that's a headache waiting to happen. And let's not forget data integrity. Faulty numbers mean faulty results. Let's avoid these pitfalls, shall we? Now we're getting fancy. Moving averages are fantastic for spotting trends without the daily noise. Exponential smoothing. That's the magic behind predictions. It gives recent data more importance. Bayesian averaging takes historical knowledge into account for smarter estimations and combining them. That's when you start playing the data scientist role. With the right techniques, complexity turns into clarity. Averages aren't just theory, they are everywhere. Financial analysts use them to predict market trends, no crystal balls needed. Businesses track customer behavior with conditional averages, because knowing buying habits is half the battle. Meteorologists rely on moving averages for weather forecasts, because nobody wants surprise rain. And manufacturers use averaging to maintain quality control. Math is secretly running the world. We've covered a lot. The right averaging method makes all the difference. Use it wisely. Visualizations turn boring numbers into engaging stories. Mistakes. We've got the cheat sheet to avoid them. And for those who love complexity, advanced techniques are a game changer. So go forth, crunch numbers responsibly, and may your averages always be insightful. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.